Hi, I'm Paula Terenzi Byrne from Paula Terenzi's Dance Complex in Malden, Massachusetts. I recently had the opportunity to work with Mike from Display.Stream, and I have to tell you that I'm really impressed with the company. It is professional, and I was a little apprehensive at first, not sure of what was going on with this new digital marketing platform. And having a bad year with COVID this past year, I thought, what way could I do to have a better opportunity to give a fresh look for my company? And I was very impressed to see the display in my window. Looking forward to advertising in the area in Malden, and I suggest that if you want something fresh and new with your company, join Mike with Display Stream.